So, pagalingan talaga ng ano yan.
Pagalingan and pasarapan.
Pasarapan ng menu. Alright? Nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
For
out.
today's vlog, I am really happy kasi another Mediterranean, Middle Eastern restaurant ang ating bibisitahin ngayon. So this is Garlic Pampanga.
So this is another taste for you to explore, lalo na sa mga mahiling sa mga Mediterranean or mga Middle Eastern food. Check out this one.
So if you want to know more about this restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So yun guys, bago natin tikman yung mga pagkain dito sa Garlic, of course kasama natin si Chef Ian. Thank you so much for inviting us, Sir Ian. Ayun, bakit Mediterranean food yung mga napili mo sa resto?
So bali almost 10 years tayo sa So itong mga food na serve natin ngayon. So parang ito yung naging comfort food. So gusto ko lang i-share sa mga mamaya natin dito. Dahil favorite ko halos itong mga to. Natutunan ko siyang lutuin.
May mga customers tayo dito kanina, sabi nila very near sa very near, even it top pa yung panlasa ng ng sa Middle East.
Okay. This should suffice for the relic cravings. Really?
So we'll start with this is our chicken salad. So chicken strips coming from our same meat with the shawarma that we use.
Okay, and then this is the shawarma.
That's our
of course.
shawarma. So bali 10-inch shawarma to, cut into half. So this is close to parang Lebanese style.
Alright.
So kakaiba sa ibang shawarma natin dito. So this is these are falafels.
And then yung dip natin is
Hummus. Made of chickpeas.
Chickpeas din.
So
Ayun.
mashed that. So you can dip it there.
So all veggies.
So vegetarian.
Shawarma
rice.
Shawarma rice. So alternatively, pwedeng chicken din yun.
Pwede rin chicken. So this one, sarili naming menu to. It's basically quesadilla siya na may shawarma meat inside.
Okay, this one is...
This is cheese manaki.
And then for our main entry nila, no? Ganyan.
So this is our chicken mandi. It comes with spicy salsa and sides of salad. With basmati rice.
Alright. Kung ayaw mo naman ng rice, is
We have this roasted chicken. It comes with pita bread and your garlic sauce and our homemade hot sauce.
Wow. And then, hindi po... We call this...
masala fries.
Masala fries. And then for our dessert, you call this...
For the dessert, this is our kunafa. Pastry dough, mozzarella and ricotta cheese, topped with pistachio nuts
And then for our refreshments, of course, this is...
limonana.
Limonana.
Or your lemon mint.
Lemon. Thank you so much, Sir Gian.
Thank you.
So, titikman na natin to, guys. Let's go.
Enjoy.
Will. Right, so that was a great time with Sir Gian, no? Napaka cool guy. Very inspiring story din. I mean, out of
Interest lang and curiosity.
Yes.
Ngayon nakabuo sila ng mga ganitong klaseng food na pwede yung ino-offer dito sa Pampanga.
Exactly. And again, sabi ko nga dun sa interview natin, I get really happy kasi dumarami na yung mga ganitong options natin dito sa Pampanga. Of course, hindi mawawala sa atin yung natin, mga Kapampangan delicacies natin. But then again, for those who are really trying to, pinapangarap nila na makapunta sa ibang bansa para makatikim ng ganitong pagkain, travel no more.
Sa mga nag-explore ng kanilang taste buds, so this is another option for you to taste.
Now, when you go to Middle East, guys, so when they eat, they use their bare hands.
So kakain tayong nagkakamay. Pero one thing na interested ako is yung kanilang shawadilla.
Shawadilla.
So syempre, yun yung una kong titikman.
Well, ako naman guys, I wanna dive straight dun sa kanilang chicken mandi. Look at this. Oh man. Oh, that's still steaming. Ayan, oh.
Wow.
Whoa. You use your hands. You use your hands. Ayan. Fingers, actually.
Close to the nuns serve the Middle East.
Impressive yung mga food nila, especially yung taste nila. Kasi sabi nga ng mga clients kanina, it is close to the authentic.
Close to the real one.
Yes, so sabi mo na talaga napakasarap and feel mo na sa Middle East ka talaga.
Alright. Yung dip nila actually is very, very flavorful. Sobrang ano niya. So this one is chickpeas, ayan. So inside it, it's ayan, still green. Ayan. So we dip it dito sa chickpeas natin. Like that. Ayan.
So yung chickpeas nila, I think good to sa mga vegetarian and yung mga nagda-diet.
Mga calorie conscious. Ayan. So this is pure veg. Pero grabe, again, so flavorful. Ibang klase yung mga spices na ginagamit nila dito. Now for the shawarma, ayan, I wanna dip in dito sa kanilang chili sauce.
Ano yung quesadilla naman na all cheese nila.
Wow, that looks really good.
And tastes good talaga.
Tama nga si Sir Gian, this is not the typical shawarma we get. This one, pansin nyo guys, it doesn't have any mayonnaise in it. And then yung pinaka-flavoring natin is yung dip. Just tasting them, it doesn't taste like Filipino or nag-level doon sa taste ng Filipino. It doesn't taste like that.
Yes. Nandun yung taste na parang masasabi mo na dun lang kinuha sa Middle East.
So yung roasted chicken nila guys, so flavorful yung pinaka-outer covering niya, yung balat niya. And then when you go to the inner meat, hindi siya sumasahapal. Hindi siya dry.
And ang sarap ng basmati rice nila.
Yep. Almost di mo na kailangan siyang i-dip.
Yes.
Dahil sobrang last na.
Actually yung ingredients,
Aha.
nasa loob na ng bawat dishes. So it is already complete. And siguro pampadagdag lasa na lang yung dip nila.
We would like to congratulate, Garlic for opening up. People who go here are talagang really satisfied with the flavor. Even yung mga candidly, yung mga nakita natin mga customer kanina, they really enjoyed it.
So the place is napakasimple lang. Very minimalist, pero yung lasa ng food, the best.
So that's gonna be the main reason you're gonna go here.
Yeah.
No? Chef Gian, please invite our viewers to come and check out your place.
Hi guys, we're inviting you to visit our restaurant, Garlic Pampanga, located at Enoc 2, Baliti Road, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Again, another option for you to try out or you want to explore something new, no? So this is the place to be. This is Garlic Restaurant. So located po ito sa Enoc 2, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Very accessible. It's just near MacArthur Highway.
Yes. So they're open from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, and you're craving for that Mediterranean flavor, come and check out Garlic Restaurant. So don't forget to tag your friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Ciao guys.